Hey, how to wet water sand a vehicle that you just painted and it got a bunch of orange peel in it. Let me show you what I'm talking about. A bunch of orange peel. If you look close, you can see it. Just painted this yesterday. And there's a bunch of orange peel. And I've been looking on YouTube, a lot of people that don't even show you how to sand after you paint it. I haven't put clear coat on this yet. Me and my son, we are wet sanding and water sanding. And see, we still got a bunch of orange peel on there. If you look and see, there's still a bunch on there. You'll have to look how this truck used to be. I even did the interior. And you barely can see the orange peel now on this one side. If you look, you barely can see it. We have not even put clear coat on this yet. Just paint sanding only. This is what we're doing, is paint sanding. Right now, we're wet sanding the whole vehicle down after it got painted. I waited a day before I did it. But stay tuned to after we finish putting the clear coat on it and wet sand it again. Then we're going to show you what's going on. I painted the inside of the bed. Did that. And I put it on a roll cage because my boss wanted one on this vehicle. If I could, show you what the inside look like. This is what the inside look like that I just done. But stay tuned. We're gonna get you right.